First question, what is different between soul and spirit?
In spirit. Arabic translation, please.
Spirit,
You see, the wording of the question is not right. I think what she means is that what is the difference between the soul and just the life, which is possessed by all animals. Is that what you mean? Right. Yes. The animals, all animals possess life. And even the humans possess life. But soul, they receive from Allah's order. And soul is only the word of God, and this word of God is infused into the same child who is apparently living in the uterus at about 4.5 months' time. And the clear-cut difference between the two things is that a child before receiving the soul, if delivered, would die. Can never survive. But a child, after having received the soul, stands a chance of survival. Not necessarily, but he may survive by incubation or whatever means are adopted by the medical system. He can survive. So, soul is answerable to God. Animal life is not answerable to God. It's not answerable because they work according to their intuitive forces. Whatever has God fed into them, they do it. So, they should not be either rewarded or punished. You see, in cases of lions, for instance, or tigers or wolves, etc., they eat the animal flesh. Would they kill the animals and eat their flesh? Similarly, they are birds of prey. So do you think they should be punished for that? It is intuitive. Naturally. But if they abstain from eating, they must be ill. Otherwise, they will not be rewarded for this as piety. So this is the major difference between soul and the life in an animal.
And may I just ask, could we then say that those words, soul and spirit, mean the same thing?
Spirit?
Yeah.
Yes, some people translate soul as spirit. So it is practically one and the same thing.